welcome each and every one of our guests to the Captain Crew Training Graduation Rites of Batch 1906.
Believe me, then just watch. Shining like the earth is mine, moving like I own this time. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Ain't afraid to bare my soul. Ain't afraid to walk on coals. Hear the thunder when I step. You know where to place your bet. I'm burning like a house on fire, cutting like a razor wire. I ain't gonna tell no lies. I ain't gonna apologize.
We're all gathered here tonight to celebrate another milestone in the lives of 33 individuals. And as you know, graduation is both an ending and a beginning, a celebration of their achievement and commencement to the new chapter in the lives of the graduates.
You have been given a chance to represent the Philippines through Asia's first, the flag carrier, a privilege that many young men and women only dream of. The fact that 100% of your class passed the rigors of training is proof of your determination and grit. The wings you will wear is both a symbol of your hard work and a promise of a safe and delightful experience for our in-flight guests. Wear your wings with pride and with gratitude.
Our relationship is not perfect. There are tough days as well as good times. But then, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for the opportunity that you gave me to be able to train you, because I also learned from each and every one of you. Salamat for that opportunity. Congratulations, ICCT 1906. The future is bright to each and every one of you.